to my completely legitimate shipping company, Onaka Transport Solutions. I am sorry I could not be there to welcome you in person, but the work of a smuggler, a businessman, is never done. I have many ships, and I have far too much cargo. What I need are pilots to transport it, gunners to protect it, and engineers to make sure it gets there in one piece. And that is where you come in, as my new flight crews, traveling on their fastest ships in the world. Like that one, the Millennium Falcon. Chewbacca! Of course you will be compensated for the generous loan of your ship, and the Resistance will get the supplies they need and maybe a little something for me. It is time to go, my friends. Listen carefully to your mission and try to work together.
You guys want to be pilots?
Yeah.
Then gunners, and then engineers?
Yeah.
Back where you're going. Chaos. What good are you guys?
Gold.
Cool.
We're pilots.
Hang on now. Wait till they call it.
Oh yeah. Hollow tracks?
Look at me.
Right is right, easy peasy. Pilot on the right, you're going up and down, but it's inverted, okay? So up is down and down is up. Opposite day. You got this.
Pilot. Welcome. Right this way, my friends. Come closer. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. All right, into the cockpit.
Seated and
I hope you are
supervised
ready,
young
my
ones.
friends. But to be sure.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuidados.
Flight engineers, prepare your flashing buttons. You better be faster when we get really trouble. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off.
Push the button.
Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly up, and push forward to fly out. Whoa, watch it. Doing things right. Stick look in the air. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed.
Make the jump to light speed. Push out.
smugglers! We've got company! Who is right? If we leave them back, they may find the resistance! He's the last! You did it! Watch out! Oh, that's going to work! Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that is rough.
Oh no. Hey, we're a scoundrel.
No shit yet.
All right, I am making an executive decision. Everybody out. Go on, get out.
And someone knows where to find her. Now, if we believe that you know something or that you're hiding something, we will find out. If you are stopped for questioning, I suggest that you do as you are ordered. Troopers!
Excellent advice. Resistance spy, Lieutenant.
Not yet, sir, but we will. I have initiated reconnaissance patrols throughout the
The
entire...
spy was tracked here.
I understand.
And if she is here, the Resistance could be here. You were sent to find her. But you have failed.
Sir, someone has information. Never fear, we will get it for you. I will get it for you,
No,
sir.
Lieutenant. I will get it. You are dismissed. Troopers,
Yes, sir. What are you all staring at? Yeah. Are you a spy? Would you like to be? Stay right there.
the First Order welcomes your allegiance. Thank you, citizen. Welcome. We apologize. Sir, there's no ordinary Wookiee copy.
That Wookiee is a threat.
Understood. Take him away, sir. Clear the way. Stay.
Two Death Stars he destroyed all by himself. I think he's trying to get the high ground.
You can't take two. Maddie, smile. Hurry.